2017 Z650 Thta install. This will be similar on like just about every street bike for a Thta, just where the connectors for the blinkers might be a little different, but it's going to be very similar. First thing you're going to do is take the back of the seat off so you can see what's going on in there. So you get that out of the way. And then we're going to pop this side plastic off. I've messed with this bike before. I know the connectors are on this side, but if you weren't sure, you could Google it or look at wire diagrams or in the repair manual or something. But so it looks like we have two 8mm up here and a Phillips head screw down over here by the seat. So we'll pop this off first. Oh, I'm sorry, that's an Allen key. Let me grab an Allen key. That was a 4mm. And now up here, we have the two 8mm. Remove the two 8mm. So we remove the 3 screws, put them somewhere safe, and then this just slides in. You're gonna pull it back towards the back of the bike and just gently take it off. There's these hooks. This one, the chain had popped when I bought this, and it had put a hole in the motor. That's why this plastic's broken. I gotta replace this, but it has these hooks, so when this goes on, you're gonna slide it back in, but just gently slide it off. Get this out of your way, put it somewhere safe. And now here are your blinker. This is your blinker and your license plate lamp. And we're gonna be changing all 3 of those. Well, we're gonna be moving them all, and we're installing this tie detail kit. So we'll get rid of this whole big piece out here. One of the first things to go when everybody gets a bike. Nobody really is a fan of these. Now there's 4 screws inside here, 4 Allen heads. These are 5mm. We're gonna remove those. And then we're gonna have 3 wires to disconnect over here. We're gonna have the left blinker, the right blinker, and the license plate lamp. Okay. 3 out of 4 of those. Get the last one out. Put all those bolts somewhere safe. They're all the same length. Always make sure anytime you're taking bolts out, just keep an eye out if any of them are different lengths for some reason, but these all four are the same size. Now that this is loose, we got 3 wires going over here. We're gonna loosen, how can we loosen this? There's these big plastic plugs down here. I don't know if this holds, I'm not sure if this holds the 2 halves together, or let's just try removing these and see what happens. You could use a flathead screwdriver, or I have this little pry tool. I was just removing these. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, so now we can see these 3 wires. So the first one I see moving is this red and black one. And we're going to remove that. Let's see which one that unplugged. Okay, so the left blinker is not working. So that one was the left blinker. I'm actually just going to mark this connector. I'm going to put an L on it. And then the next one, I have a feeling this is going to be the right. Let's see what this one is. We'll do this gray one. That should be the right side now. Yeah, that's the right side blinker. We'll mark that. And so now, so we got that, and that leaves this last one is going to be the license plate lamp. I'll turn that back off. Okay, so now we got all 3 wires disconnected. We are going to feed them through here. What's that say? Let's loosen this. This looks like 2 more 8mm, and we can loosen this bottom panel. I believe these hold in the taillight too. Take one side. Got them both loose. Take one side out. See what that does. It's a nice long screw. Alright, that gives me some play in there. I just loosened the left side and removed the right side. So now we got these 3 wires we can pull through here. There's one. Oh, there's a little, some of these are in a clip here. They were just like in a little piece to hold the wire secure. Boom. We got the 3 pieces out. 3 connectors, nothing's broken. So now we have the whole blinker license plate combination. So now we have to take the blinkers off and the license plate lamp, and we're going to install them onto this bracket. So it's going to be nice, like this, a tidy tail, clean all that up so we can get rid of this whole big piece. This has 2 Phillips head screws. That would be on the left hand side. We're going to remove those. There's one. Okay, we got those 2 screws out. And then there's one more for this reflector here. And this other bracket, you gotta take them off too to split the 2 halves. So we'll take the reflector off. Take that reflector off. There goes the reflector. Little 8mm nut. And we're gonna pop this bracket off. Okay, so we got the 2 screws out, the reflector and the license plate bracket. So now the 2 halves come apart. So right there's your